Hello everyone, this is John from Greenpointe. Welcome to another session of our how-to videos from Greenpointe here in Clackamas, Oregon. Thanks for coming around and having a look. I wanted to talk today about moisture measurement, moisture control, and job site conditions. It's something that we all know about in the backs of our minds, yet all too often in the heat of construction, it's one detail that can easily get overlooked or left behind. I wanted to tell you about a moisture meter, the mini Lignomat. We carry them here at Greenpointe, a very inexpensive and yet potentially life-saving and definitely job-saving investment. Every job should have the subfloor and the flooring material measured for moisture content without exception. Every time, measure the moisture content, and when you return to job sites, just make it a point to check the subfloor and check the flooring and make notes in your own personal notebook. Keep records of moisture content, moisture conditions on job sites. There's nothing more powerful to keep you out of trouble with aggressive contractors, demanding homeowners, troublesome job site conditions, just the record of proof of what the conditions were on the day that the decision was made to go ahead and install a floor. And months later, you're all standing around with the general contractor or with a lawyer trying to decide whose fault it is that this floor has failed. Don't go there, my friends. Get a moisture meter, have it with you, take regular moisture readings, and make records of the moisture readings that you've taken. Nothing is more powerful at standing you in good stead with your contractors. You'll stand out from the crowd as a responsible contractor. Thank you very much for watching. Again, if you enjoy these videos, if you find them helpful, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, and if you're needing a moisture meter, again, at Greenpointe, this simple moisture meter is right about $90. A simple, inexpensive, frustration-saving device. Thanks again.